So, do you know your percentages? Let's have a look at 4 ways. To find the percentage of a total, divide the part by the total. For example, 58 divided by 100 is 58%, 8 divided by 10 is 80%. To calculate the percentage change of a value, divide the new value by the old value and subtract 1 from the result. For example, £1,000 to £1,250 is a 25% increase, whereas £1,000 to £750 is a 25% decrease. To find the percentage change of percentages, subtract the old percentage from the new percentage and divide the result by the old percentage. For example, 5% to 10% is a 100% increase, whereas 10% to 5% is a 50% decrease. Finally, to calculate the value after a percentage change, add the percentage change to 1 and multiply the result by the old value to return a new one. For example, 10% added on to £50 is £55, whereas 10% off £50 is £45.